Hi, it's VS Tarot. Hello, Libra placement. So, this is your April love reading. Okay? So, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay? And syempre po, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating kay Perception of Light. Okay? And yes, opo, kung may tanong pagdating sa ating mga evil eye item, just message me. Okay? Oo, message kayo sa ating FB page. Sasagot si ating admin. Okay? So, kaunting pasensya lang kung hindi po agad-agad marereplyan. Okay? Sa dami po ng mga nagme-message. Okay? And, pagdating naman sa ating The Granter, oo. Kung may available pa, siguro bibigyan pa kayo ni admin ng slot. Kung meron pa po. Okay? Pero sa tingin ko, habol-habol na lang. Okay? 30 slots po. Okay? 30 slots. Okay. So, Libra. Yan. Okay. Libra placements. Who is the person on Libra's mind? Who is the person on your mind, Libra? Anong meron sa kanya? Okay, oops. The Eight of Wands. Okay. Pwedeng fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. And the Ace of Pentacles. Mahilig tong magbigay ng pangako. Okay? Some of them, they're wanting a second chance or a new beginning with you. Okay? Yeah. May pagka-busy yung iba sa kanila. Yung iba po yung iba lang. Okay? Someone younger. Yeah. Some of you, kakommunicate mo siya ngayon. Okay? So, tingnan natin ano bang meron. Okay. Ano bang meron sa situation ninyong dalawa? Yeah. See, the Page of Wands. Someone younger. Okay. Meron ditong parang nagsisimula uli or nag-uumpisa muli. Yeah, the Page of Pentacles. May nagsisimula muli dito. Kaso nga lang, hindi malaman sa kanya kasi parang ang dami niyang plano. Hindi niya malaman kung ano rin ang uunahin. Okay? Some of them talagang gusto lang nila na kausap ka ngayon. Hindi malayong hindi kayo magkausap. Hindi malayong, oo. Yeah, may komunikasyon. Ako nakikita rito. Okay? Merong nagbaba ng guard. Yes. So, tingnan natin ano bang meron. Anong emosyon niya sa'yo? Someone's, pwedeng immature rin. Or, sabihin natin, younger lang talaga. Okay. Tingnan natin, ha? Ano ba ang totoong emosyon niya sa'yo? The Seven of Wands in reverse and the Three of Wands. Yeah. They're manifesting you. They're open. Plans with you. Like, thinking of you. Like, diba? Gusto nila ng future with you. Okay? Yeah. The Ace of Swords. Oh my God. Libra. Some of you, this is someone else or someone new. Okay, someone new. Pasensya na po ha, wait lang. Okay. So, let's continue. Masyadong maingay sa background na distract ako. Okay, so, puro pagpaplano. Okay, may plano itong taong to. Pero, yun nga lang, medyo ang nakikita kong issue dito is hanggang dun lang muna, hanggang plano. Kasi basta kanila, sabihin nating hindi pa ganoon, like, yeah, iba kasi talagang bata, no? As in bata. Malayo ang gap ninyo nito. Okay? Like 20, mga ganon. Yeah. The Ace of Swords, energy of communication. Yan ang gusto niya. Yan ang gusto niya. Okay? Pero ang nakukuha ko nga pagdating sa kanya is kulang sa effort. Yun, kulang sa effort. Okay? So, anong next action nito towards you? Hindi malayong sa pagiging younger, oo, is nandun pa sila sa sa phase nila na parang they want adventure pa, no? Okay? Pwedeng may kausap na iba, may pagpa-flirt, like that. Pero may pagpa-promise, no, sa'yo. Okay. So, tingnan natin ano ba ang meron sa next action nitong taong to. The Three of Cups. And the Two of Wands. Some of them mabarkada. Iba sa inyo, LDR ha. Malayo, oo. Or in general, there's a gap. Okay? Big gap. Yes. So, yun nga, specific yun. Some of them talagang mabarkada pa. Yes. Okay, there is a delay pagdating sa mga pangako niya. Ha? Kasi nga, yun nga, pwedeng ang isang dahilan para magkaroon ng delay is yung hindi pa sila ganun ka-ready. Ha? Some of them, they're not totally like stable. Hindi pa sila stable. Wala pa nga sila like totally ipon. Yung iba sa kanila. Ha? Okay? Yung iba sa kanila, wala pa talagang sabihin nating nararating pa. Ha? Okay? Real talk. May mga ways itong taong ito na para silang bata. Yes. Okay? So, pwedeng napupunta yung oras nila sa mga walang importantehang bagay, walang kapararakan. No? Yun. Okay? Pero, yeah, they want future with you. Ano ang advice for Libra? What's the universe advice? Okay. The Magician. Okay. And the Three of Pentacles. This is planning. Okay. I think this is teaching. Teaching. Alam mo, Libra, ikaw yung taong sa tingin ko, kaya mong i-balance, no? Oo. Hindi mo kailangang i-tolerate, no? Itong taong to para magkaroon ng kabalansihan sa inyong dalawa. Ang kailangan mong gawin para mabalanse is kung ano ang sa tingin mong dapat para sa inyo, sa inyong dalawa. You need to plan. Okay? Kailangan mo ring maging open. Okay? Sa inyong dalawa. Communication, yeah. Some of you need to teach this person to grow. Okay? To grow. Madaling magbitaw ng pangako, ng mga kung ano-ano. Pero mahirap gawan ng aksyon. Yung iba sa kanila, nahihirapan sila gumawa ng aksyon. Okay? Ang daming ace. Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, kanina si Ace of Swords, 'di ba? Kanina nakita natin. Okay? dapat nagse-set ka rito ng limit. Ha? Pagdating sa kanya. Like, rules. Okay? Rules. This person needs to grow talaga. Okay? So, wala namang sabihin nating problem. Wala akong nakikitang bad intention coming from your person. It's just that they're not like totally, ready. Lalo na mentally. Okay? So, yeah. Andun pa rin yung pwedeng nag-iisip pa rin sila like teenager. Like that. Okay? Someone who is not ready for all the responsibilities coming. Parang ganon. Like, kapag may problem to, pupunta pa to sa nanay niya. Like that. Okay? Yeah, ganun yung energy na nakukuha ko from this person kasi, no? So, ikaw, kung kaya mong i-balance, you don't need to tolerate this person, kailangan yung rules mo ang makukuha. Ha? Lalo na kung ikaw yung sabihin nating nasa tamang pag-iisip, pagdating sa sitwasyon na to. Okay, so, I don't know. Oh my God. Okay. So, tayo tungo na sa all signs. Aries through Pisces. Okay. Nakakuha ko ng energy dun talaga na parang nasa 20s, 30s yung person ninyo. Early 20s, early 30s, ganyan. Okay? Aries. So, hot and cold. Taurus, they want communication. Gemini, they love you. Cancer. Okay, some of them may third party involved. Okay? There's planning with this Cancerian. They want, magandang cooperasyon with each other. So, Leo, they just want to get your attention. Okay? Virgo, they're waiting. Yeah, they're just waiting. Manifesting you. Okay? So, Libra, they want to talk. Okay? They have something to say. Parang ganyan. Okay? So, some of them, maybe they're just like stalking you. Yeah, if they're silent. Yes. Okay, so Scorpio, they need you. They want to commit. Okay, Sagittarius, there's delay. Yeah, there's delay. Some of you pwedeng may hadlang dito sa Sagittarius na to. Okay, pwedeng some of you this is LDR or something like a distance, no? So, Capricorn, they need you. Aquarius, they have emotions, no? Maybe they want to express their true emotions. Okay, Pisces, they still like you or they still love you. Okay? So, I think kung past person mo to, may pagbabalik dyan. Andoon yung burden. Yeah. May pagkakamaling nagawa si Pisces. Nakukuha ko yun sa kanya. Okay? May pagre-regret itong Pisces na to pagdating sa'yo. Okay? May pagre-regret sa mga ginawang decisions noon. Okay? So, there, yun ang ating reading for you, Libra placements. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.